Now that we know all the preconditions of wudu, it's time to learn how to do wudu. First is the niyyah, the intention. Before starting wudu, we need to have an intention that we are doing wudu for the sake of Allah. We don't have to say this out loud. It's enough to know what we are doing and why we are doing it. This means if I am doing wudu just because it's a hot day, my intention is not for Allah anymore. Therefore, it will not be valid. Then it is mustahab to wash both hands. Gargle water in your mouth 3 times and rinse your nose 3 times. Mustahab means it's recommended to do. Now get some water in your hand. Now start washing your face in a downward direction from the top of the forehead, where your hair normally starts to grow, to the bottom of your chin, covering every part of your face. Now get some more water. Now wash your right arm from the elbow to the fingertips in a downward direction, making sure all areas are covered. Now get some more water. Now wash your left arm from the elbow to the fingertips in a downward direction, making sure all areas are covered. Now without getting any more water, we need to use the water that remained on our hand from washing. Let's use our right hand. We have to wipe from the middle of our head down to the front without touching our forehead. Now using the same wetness on our hands, we have to wipe our feet from the tip of the toes to the ankle. Start with your right hand wiping your right foot. Now use your left hand to wipe your left foot. Just a note, before wiping your head and feet, make sure they are both dry and not wet. Great. Let's see if we can pick up some common mistakes that people usually do. Okay, the boy has made his intention for Allah. So what's he doing wrong? That's right, we must wash the face first, not the arms. Okay, he started again. What's he doing wrong now? That's right, he is washing in all different directions. He can only wash in a downward direction. He just washed his face and now he is washing his right arm. What's he doing wrong? That's right, he can only wash his arm in a downward direction, not up and down and around. Also, he didn't wash his fingers. Okay, he started again. He washed his face. He washed his right arm. He washed his left arm. Now what's he doing wrong? That's right. He got more water to wipe his head. That's wrong. He has to use the water that remained on his hand. Okay, great.